PJ, and this is my Italian bread. Flour, olive oil, salt, yeast, brown sugar, water. Let's get started. 2 cups warm water. Add your yeast. Let's stir. Let that yeast dissolve, and let's give that about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, so time to add our olive oil, our salt, and our brown sugar. Okay, let's give that a little stir. We'll just dissolve that brown sugar a little bit and that salt, and let's start to add our flour. We'll let this mix about 7 minutes. Okay, our dough is mixed for 7 minutes. Time to take it out. Take a little bench flour, throw that down, and we'll get our dough ball. What I'm going to do is just knead this for a second, just to get a nice smooth ball. Nice. Let's get a bowl to let this rest in. We'll take a little olive oil to cook the bottom of that. We'll spread that around a little bit. Alright, let's take that. We'll set it right in there. Nice. And cover. Okay. We're going to want to find a nice warm place to put this for about an hour and a half. And then I'll come back and show you what we have. Let's go find a place. Okay, dough is risen, doubled in size. Let's get some bench flour. Roll this out onto the bench. Alright, let's start to shape this into our loaf. Got some spray release on a little bit of parchment paper. Transfer our loaf onto that. Cover with a towel. We'll let that rise again for about 45 minutes. Okay, our oven is preheated. Knife, I'm going to make 3 slits right across, just like that. Here I've got some egg wash for 1 egg white. We're going to brush this on. And now we're ready to get it in the oven. And here is my beautiful Italian bread. Should I slice this up and make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Not so much. Should I make some garlic bread? Should I dunk some in Fontecchio's original marinara sauce? So good. Should I bring this to the beautiful single lady that lives next door? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, share this video, and hit that bell so you'll be notified